Welcome to the setup for Email My Purchase, Microsoft Certified Extension or Add-on, created by Email My Purchase and developed by New West Technologies. We're going to walk you through a couple of minute install and sending your receipts by email to your customers. Only takes a few minutes. This wizard here is going to walk you through that process. If you did purchase your license off of our website, then chances are you have received that license key. Just make sure and have that handy. There we go. Types registered successfully. Completed. Now we're going to fill in a few little important pieces of information. And the rest is going to walk you through the process. You can use whatever SMTP mail server you'd like. We recommend you use ours because it's free. And what we're going to do here is we're going to change ports because we're running on a different port. Other ISP providers or internet service providers will have port 25, some ports 463, and some ports 2525. If you're going to use our server, which we recommend you do, mail.emailmypurchase.com, just simply click the override SMT port and change it to 26. Now, if you haven't created your business account with Email My Purchase, head over to our website, www.emailmypurchase.com, and sign up for your free webmail account. Again, this is a free webmail account, and it's strictly made for your business and for your receipts. Once you enter in your password information, you're going to again use our services because that's how we roll. And I'm just going to go ahead and use mine here. It's a good way to keep track of your receipts. No receipts will get lost. This store name here you can replace to whatever you would like. I'm going to put my restaurant in there simply because I have been in the restaurant business for the past 14 years. Don't adjust any of these settings here. They're all ready to go. You can scroll down here, and as you can see, there is a body here for your little notices and a thank you message that you would like to send along with that receipt. And I'm just going to add here my business contact information, and as well I'm going to put our company's website, and this website is hyperlinkable when your customer receives that receipt. Let's go ahead and press save. Now what it's going to do is it's going to look for your SQL server data, and it's going to verify it and make sure that it's running on the same SQL database that you would like to hook up. There you go. Store SQL server is localhost. It's automatically going to pull this data for you, so you don't have to worry one bit. Let's go ahead and save that. And it's right now verifying with your SQL server, basically talking to each other to make sure that they are going to connect from now on. There you go. All in one little step. Let's go ahead and start up our POS store, because now you are just literally a minute away from sending your receipts by email to your customers. You don't have to worry about any of your sales associates signing on. This will work for any sales associate within your organization. Let's go ahead here and let's buy a bike. Let's find that customer. It just so happens there's a customer's already in this database. And if the customer has been here before, you will see that there is a current email address in there. Let's go ahead and press OK. And let's close out that sale. Would you like to email customer to receipt? Absolutely. And there it's gone. That's how easy it is. Let's go and see where that receipt went to. And there you go. There's your receipt from Burns Pizza. Looks good. Let's take a look at the receipt. Now in the close-up mode, and you can see cashier number 1, 12:23 a.m. on June 5th. There you have it, people. We thank you for coming out and purchasing our RMS extension and watching our video.